A is for angelfish, a angelfish, graceful and bright in the coral so light. B is for blue whale, blue whale, the biggest of all with the powerful tail. C is for clownfish, clownfish, orange and white in anemones they swish. D is for dolphin, dolphin, smart and swift with the playful grin. E is for eel, slippery and slim with electric appeal. F is for flying fish, flying fish, leaping up high with a flutter and swish. G is for giant clam, giant clam, open and wide with the bubbly jam. H is for hammerhead shark, hammerhead shark, eyes on the sides that see in the dark. I is for ice fish, ice fish, living in waters both cold and swish. J is for jellyfish, jellyfish, wobbly and soft with the magical swish. K is for king crab, king crab, with claws that click and legs that grab. L is for lobster, the lobster, snipping and snapping the deep sea mobster. M is for manatee, manatee, gentle and slow in the seagrass sea. N is for narwhal in the narwhal with the unicorn tusk, it's the coolest of all. O is for octopus, octopus, 8 long arms and no need to fuss. P is for pufferfish, pufferfish, it blows up around with a spiky swish. Q is for queen angelfish, queen angelfish, royal and bright, a colorful wish. R is for ray, ray, flapping like wings as it glides away. S is for seahorse, seahorse, curly-tailed riders on a wavy course. T is for turtle, turtle, with a hard round shell like a living circle. T is for urchin, urchin, spiky and round with the slow motion lurchin. V is for viperfish, viperfish, with glowing fangs and a hungry swish. W is for walrus, walrus, with big long tusk and whiskers that fuss. X is for x-ray fish, x-ray fish, you can see its bones, it's a see-through-ish. Y is for yellow tang, a sunshine swimmer in a golden gang. Z is for zebra shark, zebra shark, with stripes when young and spots in the dark. From A to Z, beneath the sea, a world of wonders waits for me, with colors, sounds, and shapes so wild, the ocean sings to every child.